Short week this one. Unfortunately didn't get quite as much done as I wanted to, but still pretty impressed with what's been done. Got a bit of Air Force Reserve work later on this week, so only had to stop work on Tuesday afternoon. Anyway, this is what we got done. Roll the credits. Alright, Tracy has given 2 doors the first coat of antique white, and so now they match the rest, and that's what they looked like before they were coated. So still got to do them. and 75% of the tiling's done. Really happy with it. It looks fantastic. Finished this wall today. A bit hard to see there with the light from outside. Wall tiling's hard work. That looks terrific. So all I've got to do now is over there, and that will be reasonably straightforward. Only have to cut a few tiles around the power point there, and then it'll just finish in line with the bench top, which is still a couple of weeks away. Unfortunately, that's the short bench top, which I've just used that to do the tiling. Hello, dog. Click clack on the floorboards. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Busy week. Unfortunately, almost forgot. All of the trims. Tape can come off now. So all the Tassie oak trims to hide the transition where the infill panels went, and it ties it into these Tassie oak beams really nicely. They look terrific. Still got to do a bit of paint touch up on the ceiling there, but yeah, they look amazing, really nice. They still have to be sealed, unfortunately. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thought this was going to be the last one, but yeah, this work stuff has come up, so nice little extra bit of cash in pocket, and hopefully finish next week. Alright, see ya.